How's it going, buddy? Good. Yeah, not bad.
10,000's a lot of money. How big is it? Oh my god, I need to stand up.
Being on the road can be pretty lonely at times. Being constantly on the move and not knowing where we'll be from one day to the next can make it hard to meet new friends, never mind see old ones. We were pretty happy when we found out Mitchell's friend Andreas wanted to meet us in Portugal and our calendars finally aligned. Later on in the video, I'll give you the breakdown of how Mitchell managed to make friends with someone from Denmark at 13 years old.
How's it going, buddy? Good. Yeah, not bad. Nice to meet you.
I brought the knife with her as well.
Hiya, nice to meet you.
You too.
Should go to get some food now, or are you hungry?
Yeah, I've been eating anything now.
Yeah, we'll get some food first then.
Yeah.
Right, what are you cooking us?
My world famous enchiladas. I thought it's got to be the first meal that we make for Andreas.
Andreas, I hope it's okay.
We'll find out.
Yeah. So this is what happens when you're not equipped enough to have visitors. I've got a spoon and a knife and a bowl. But are they good? What's your verdict?
It's pretty good.
Are you chuffed with that? One thing I want to know, Mitch.
Yeah.
Have you religiously looked at the map to know where we're going?
We're following the sea the whole way, so if I get lost, we've got a big problem.
You said that last time. Right, we'll see. We have decided to come out early this morning to head on around a 11-kilometre walk. It goes along the coast and towards the Benagil Caves, I believe. However, we thought we'd be trying to beat the sun, as it's around a 3-hour walk altogether, but it's already pretty high. So just got to be careful on how much time we're in the sun today. It seems like a pretty popular walk, so hopefully we get back in one piece this time round. It's actually pretty cool because this walk itself takes you past the Benagil Caves, which we should be paddleboarding tomorrow. So it's really cool to come and have a look from above before we see it from below tomorrow. Everyone meet Andreas. Mitchell and Andreas' story goes way back to 2011, where they met online, where I regret to say this. Mitchell was in a Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 clan.
Hey up guys, it's New Camo here.
They played games together online with each other for countless hours and didn't actually meet up until Mitchell's parents got in contact with Andreas and flew him over to the UK for his 18th birthday. Since then, they've kept in contact, playing the occasional game here and there, but through the years that they've known each other, it's formed a pretty solid friendship that I'm sure will carry on for many years.
Do you think if you knew that there's no rocks down there and you could make the jump, someone put 10 grand in your hand, you'd do it?
I think.
Yeah.
You would?
Of course.
Absolutely not.
10,000's a lot of money. Bloody hell, he'd take some guts, wouldn't it?
Would you?
I think I would, but I don't know if I'd be able to do it properly.
The boys are just looking at one of the signs, but everywhere is like breathtakingly beautiful. Like there's just so many little caves and coves and beaches, and then like these houses that are on this cliff have like little private gates and everything. It's so nice. But we were also scoping out somewhere where we might be able to camp up later too, so it's really cool. It's really nice and chill. Luckily we didn't know how long this walk was going to take us, so I provisioned some food earlier on. a bit squished.
What movie is it off where his sandwiches are like that? They're inside, oh I can't think now. He's got like jam sandwiches and they're all squished inside cellophane like that. Oh, it's on Harry Potter.
No thanks. I'm all set.
That is like Ron's sandwich.
Look ahead, the sea is calm, and I know we've been through a lot, but just wait. Wait for better days to come and carry us like wind in our sails.
We're nearly back. A bit hot, Mitch.
Yeah, it's getting there now.
That was absolutely necessary. We've been back to the van and we got straight down to the beach. It was nice to just cool off.
This beach is really nice though.
Yeah, it's really nice. So, I think this is well deserved,
Yeah.
don't you?
Oh, too indeed.
So we've had some dinner. We've had a really nice pasta dish and even had some dessert as a little treat. Pancakes, which were really nice, a little treat. And then we bought some beer and we were gonna go and watch the sunset. But Mitch seems to think that we've missed it.
How big is it? I can feel it throbbing. Is it that bad?
Yeah. Oh my god, Mitch, it looks like you've got a horn on your head, like a horn's trying to come through. It's bit you so bad.
Can you see it on the camera?
People in Lagos will be able to see it.
For God's sake, that's going to get worse over now, I think. I hate mosquitoes.
We've woken up this morning in a pretty peaceful spot. We actually ended up setting up the tent for Andreas last night because his hostel wasn't the best, it was pretty noisy, so we were able to, luckily when we were on the hike, find a nice secluded spot for us to be able to camp last night. And now we are getting ready to go on the paddleboards through the Benagil caves, which I'm pretty excited for.
Are you confident? Oh my god, I need to stand up. Oh my god! Andreas is the first casualty.
All I can hear from you is just a high pitch.
Oh no! That is freezing. You alright, mate?
Yeah, how are you? Are you cold?
Yeah. Stand up again, Andreas.
No, I tried, that's why I thought it.
I need to relax after that. Oh. My balance is horrendous.
Oh my, I can't.
Oh my god. Was riding a wave in then. Oh man, I hurt my ankle on that last one. Yeah. I don't even know how I keep losing my balance. Like, I think I'm staying steady, and then like the front will lift up, and then I'll be like, oh, straight up.
Every time I've wobbled, I just sit back down as quick as I can, and then I'm fine.
Oh man, I really want to be able to do it as well. That's what's so annoying. I can't believe how well you've got the hang of this.
I know. It's something that I can actually do.
Yeah.
Maybe I could be a surfer.
Maybe. Your Australia rep's getting up now.
Yeah.
Well done, you did really well.
That was fun.
I'm dead impressed with you.
We have now come into Lagos for the day. We haven't been here yet, and Andreas has now moved to a hostel here, so we've got the day to explore. I've scoped out an acai bowl place, which obviously I'm going to go to now. Now I'm going to drag the boys there. Morning.
Today was Andreas' last full day with us, and we decided to head into Sagres to explore. Sagres is situated at Portugal's most southwesterly point. Because of its position into the Atlantic Ocean, a fortress was built by a man named Prince Henry the Navigator in the 15th century, a time when the Portuguese coast was often the target of raids from pirates from the North African shores. Today the fortress is open for the public to explore, and we had a lot of fun looking around and gazing across the wild Atlantic Ocean.
Oh, what was that?
What are you up to?
We're playing who can hit the most in 5 shots. I just got 4. And Jay's just fumbled one underneath it.
Yeah, that was absolutely perfect. You know?
So you've put the washing line, the picnic blanket. Where did you get the string?
We found it on the floor.
Oh, we found it. And a energy drink.
To me, you're aiming at the tree more.
But I'm putting that circle in where the can is.
Are you?
Yeah.
Which eye are you using? Please don't tell me you're using this eye. You amaze me at times. You want to use this eye, you numpty. Oh! Count that as a hit.
Right, there you go.
Well done. At least you got better each time. That's all that matters.
I'm going to go back to making tea.
And it's Andreas' last night. Oh, you actually got one on camera. This is the little spot we've got. Mashed potato for tea.
I made a no man. I said, tell me your story. hold something for me. Then he kept walking on down the road, and I watched him disappear like smoke. And I thought I'd just seen a ghost. Then I looked down at what he wrote. It said, son, when you grow up you'll be fine.
Thank you. Enjoy your flight. Yeah. No worries.
Life is gonna happen one way or the other, whether you like it or not. Stop looking for the answers and you'll find what you've got. I met a young man, searching for glory.